Hi, so this is the emulsion demo. So we have here is just some food dyed water, so it's dyed purple. And then in this one we just have the mineral oil right here, which is food grade. And so you can see the mineral oil is clear and the water is purple. So we're going to take some of the water and we're going to take some of the mineral oil and pour in some of the water. And what we'll see pretty clearly are two phases, right? So we can see the water phase here in purple, and we can see the clear mineral oil phase. And that's of course akin to salad dressing, right? Where in an Italian restaurant or other restaurants they might have a balsamic vinegar and oil phase. And so in delivery of medicine, what we use this for is we can put a drug that doesn't like water in this oil phase, and then we can stabilize it so that it can go into the water phase, and so we could inject it into the body, because right, our body's mostly water. So what we can do is use what's called a surfactant, or an amphiphilic molecule. Now this might be too advanced for the students you're talking to. You could ask them if they know what these are, but what this does is it sits at the interface, and it plays with both the water and the oil phase, and so it can help mix them together. So we're just going to put a drop of the soap in there. And I'm just using clear soap. You could use other colored soap, but it's just to make it very abundantly clear that we're adding nothing in the color. And so what you'll see, of course, is bubbles. But what you can see is just very tiny little bubbles. There you go. Within the mixture, right? And so this is it stabilizes the emulsion a little bit. So eventually the two phases will separate. And you'll have the two phases again, but you'll have kind of this foamy intermix phase. And so you can make nano emulsions to put different medicine in, and you can also make micro emulsions. And so this can be used to deliver medicine. It can also be used to deliver vaccines to the nose. They'll use these emulsions to deliver vaccines to the nose and other mucosal cavities. And so you can see here then we've been able to stabilize these two phases and form a fairly stable emulsion that then we could use to deliver medicine. And so this is the emulsion demonstration.